Hello guys, Sami here. This is Mi 9 SE. Actually, I'm not surprised when Xiaomi released this version. Remember Xiaomi released Mi 8 SE before? And it receives incredible reviews from users. Anyway, let's just take a look at the design first. Mi 9 SE adopts 5.97-inch waterdrop full screen. My first impression is yes, it's small, light, and delicate. After all, it weighs only 155 grams. On the right side, there's a power button and the volume key. On the left side, there's no AI key to activate the voice assistant, not like on Mi 9 or Mi Mix 3. Move to the top, we can see the infrared blaster is back. Beside there is a noise cancelling mic, still no 3.5mm audio jack. On the bottom there's a Type-C port and the speaker. It's in perfect symmetric design. To my surprise, the rear camera still features triple camera too. There are 48 megapixel wide lens, plus 8 megapixel portrait lens, plus 13 megapixel super wide lens. Thumbs up for that. The camera generates very good detailed photo as well. For other modes like short video, slow motion is the same as other Mi phones. You can even add music automatically. Check it out. Mi 9 SE sports the 5th generation of in-display fingerprint scanner too, just like Mi 9. Let's test out. It's fast and accurate. Here are more specs about it. MIUI 10.2 based on Android 9, 6 gigs of RAM, Snapdragon 712 processor. There is fast charging for the 3017 mAh battery, but is capped at 18 voltage. Other features include the game turbo booster, NFC chip, and the same 3 colors: green and blue, violet and gray, the same as Mi 9. The Mi 9 SE will cost between $300 and $340. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. For more about Mi 9 SE, please stay subscribed. I'm Sami. See you next time.